Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Cambridge, Kitchener, and Waterloo housing market stats for the month of March 2020. The stats are actually quite interesting because despite the spread of COVID-19, all three of these markets are still very active. So let's take a look at some of the key metrics. For Cambridge, median sales price was $529,950, which is up by 9.3% relative to March of last year. Median days on market is now 8 days, which is down by 5 days. The total number of sales is up by 20.5%, and the total number of listings is up by 23.5%. In Kitchener, median sales price was $525,000, which is up by 14.9%. The median days on market is now at 8 days, which is down by 4 days. Total number of sales was up by 18.8%, and the total number of listings were up by 16.9%. In Waterloo, the median sales price was $615,000, which is up by 26.8%. Median days on market is at 8 days, which is down by 4 days. The total number of sales was 138, which is down by 4.8%. And the total number of listings was 234, which was down by 3.7%. As you can see, all three markets are showing increases in sales price and decreases in the number of days that it takes to sell. In Cambridge and Kitchener, we're seeing increases in both the number of listings and the number of sales, but interestingly, Waterloo had a slight decline in the number of listings and sales. I'm very confident that in April we're going to see a decline in both listings and sales, but it'll be interesting to see where the sales price goes and how long it takes to sell the average home on the market. For now, the most important thing is that we're staying home, we're staying safe, and we're staying healthy. I hope you and your families are doing well. And of course, if you have any real estate related questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to have a conversation with you.